Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this little dragon Smaug. Smaug is from the Hobbit, if you are familiar with that, and I know he looks completely different, but this is my little Smaug and I want to show you how to get that one into your bullet journal and what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. Whatever you choose is just fine. Then a pencil, a rubber, colored pencil, and that's it. So let's get started. So I use my bullet journal for that. You don't have to. I'm just scribbling, doodling here a little bit, so I just bend it on the left side here of the page, and so it has no deeper meaning, so I don't want to create a spread. I just want to draw here a little bit. So I start with a circle, and actually two circles, for the head and for the body. So you can do that as well. Just draw two circle, one smaller for the head and one bigger for the body, and that's it. So after that you can start drawing the back of the little dragon and get more concrete here. So I have the tail here now, so you see I just draw a line on the back and then to the bottom, and that's it. So even if you cannot draw, that's pretty easy to do. And then I set some lines in the middle and also on the top and the bottom of the body, so it's much easier to add later the feet and the hands as well as the face. So that's why I'm doing that. And now I'm doing the head a little more in detail, so don't be afraid to draw over your lines. And once you have done that, you can start with the concrete back of the dragon, and then you already see it starts looking like a little dragon. So no big deal here. So far anyone can draw it, can't you? So now I'm starting to draw the hands and the feet. You can do that with drawing some ovals if you like. I just do it, as they are. It would have maybe better to show you, but you can do that. You can just draw two ovals here and then go from there like we did with the body, or you can just do it like I do. So you have nothing to lose because you can always get rid of all the lines. So don't be afraid to draw here. Just rub it off if you don't like it. So now I'm starting with a face, and I use the lines I've drawn into the head before, so I know where to put my eyes. So first the one, then the other one, and then the mouth of the little dragon. So, it's much easier to have these proportions set before you start drawing. So once I'm happy how Smaug turned out, I use my micron fineliner and start drawing over the lines. It's important to do it now because I want to rub all the pencil lines, and I have to do that before I start coloring because I don't want to have the pencil lines showing up later. So it's important to do it now and then rub off all the pencil lines. I have chosen two colors, one darker green and one brighter green. For me, that's good because I want to have the back a little bit darker than the rest of the body, and I also want to shade it a little bit. So now I start with the back and then we draw the body. So I want the body to look even, that's why I use just one color for now and draw over it, because first I just want to fill it with color and then I want to shade it a little bit. You will see that in a minute, but for now I just draw over it and fill it with one single color. So at this point we start shading a bit and press the pencil a little bit more in the paper to have the shades here all over the body of the dragon. I usually do that by shading the stomach a little bit and the feet and the hands and the head, you see, on the corners at least. So, but that's not all. I now use my rubber to do the rest. So I use a rubber, but you could also use a tissue just to get some brighter areas on your little dragon. And that's nice because then I have some glances here. So you see the stomach already has some glances, and then I go over it and rub a little bit off, just a little bit. You can always shade a bit more at a later time, but you don't have to. So just experiment here and try to do it in your style. So basically that's it. Smaug should be ready in your bullet journal by now, and I really hope you enjoyed your tutorial. If so, please don't forget to leave us a thumb up, maybe subscribe to our channel, and then you get notified whenever I post a new video. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye!